Hello, Cookie Crumbs. It's me, Lenny Shade, and you're in the Diviner's Kitchen. Well, kinda. You see, today's episode is a very special one because it's my best friend's birthday. Yay! So me and Mama are going to drive up to their college and pick them up and surprise them with a very special birthday lunch. It's basically fried chicken, but with a twist. Also, we're going to be using my aunt and uncle's kitchen to use it because they live closer to them. So that explains the different background. But anyways, time to teleport through time! Travel through time!
Travel through time. I sponge you.
It's fine. We brought someone with us!
Hi, it's me. I'm V.
We're gonna make fried chicken because today is her birthday.
It is indeed my birthday.
Wash the chicken in cold water to get rid of any feathers and excess fat.
And now, is your seasoning.
We're gonna try and not kill her with cayenne.
Please don't.
Seasoning that we're using should work for about 2 packs of chicken, or in our case, 12 legs and 14 wings.
You can use like a pack of chicken breasts or chicken thighs or whatever. This is just what we're rocking with.
We have a small pot, so we're going to layer it. We're going to season the legs first, and then we're going to put the wings on top and then season that. You're only going to use half of them for each layer. Like I only have like 2 teaspoons of salt right here, so you only need 1 teaspoon for the first layer. Oops. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, so half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, so 1/4 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of dried dill, so half a teaspoon of dried dill. Half a teaspoon of cayenne, so 1/4 teaspoon. A teaspoon of onion powder, so half a teaspoon of onion powder. And a teaspoon of garlic powder, so half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to put the wings on top of the sides and then continue with our seasoning. It's raining dill.
Hallelujah.
It's raining dill. Oh, dill. Okay, now we're going to mix the chicken so we can get all them spicy spices together.
As there are spicy spices in
Yes. As people that fought wars over spicy spices.
That's right.
There's a broken leg in here.
There is a broken leg now. Yeah, I found one.
Now it's just getting tossed around. Like my leg is broken.
Well, it's dead, so I don't know if that's his biggest concern.
I know, it's a little late for that.
Yeah, we're all in a little bit. Preheat your oven to 375. I have not used my aunt's oven before, so this is new. I figured it out.
Yay!
Woo!
Victory!
And it's sweet, sweet, sweet victory. Yeah. Just take some oil. Get a basting brush, or if you forgot your basting brush at home, like we did, napkin.
We're very prepared.
Obviously. Get it on the pan, people.
And this keeps the chicken from sticking to the pan.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna take our chicken and put it on the pan. Now that you got your chicken on your tray, you wanna put that in the oven for, what, about 45 minutes, an hour?
About an hour.
Be gone, chicken!
Suffer the consequences of your actions.
Let's chickadee check our chicken. Ooh. Ooh, looks pretty good. Now we're gonna flip our chicken. Just to make sure it's not sticking. If you think we're not gonna fry this chicken, you're absolutely right. Good night, everybody. No! Anyways, the reason why we baked it is because, well, when you fry it, the chicken doesn't always cook all the way through. So by pre-baking it, it allows the chicken to cook more thoroughly, which not only minimizes the chicken frying time, but also allows you to make sure that you don't end up with raw chicken.
Alright, so we're gonna be using a pre-made seasoned breadcrumb breading. You can get this like really wherever. You can make it yourself. This stuff will burn really fast. It cooks really fast, which is another reason why we bake the chicken before we put it in the oil. So that way you're just cooking the breading and getting that nice crispy golden flavor.
Now we're gonna make the thing that'll help fry it a little better. First, we got like 2 cups of buttermilk. Oop, nope, spill it.
That'd be bad.
Yeah. And then you want to add 4 eggs.
Wow.
You gotta mix up your eggs and your buttermilk. We say whip it. Now that you whipped up it's a mixture that helps it fry. Then you just want to
Sticky stuff.
take your baked chicken, dip it in here,
For what?
and make sure it's all nice and coated in the egg wash. That's what it's called.
Egg wash! We did it.
And you just want to put this in the breading.
So once your dredge is good and packed on, you can't see anymore the egg wash, you shake it a little bit.
Make sure it's nice and dredgy.
Nice and dredgy, you want all that good flavor and the crisp. Then,
Oh yeah, the oil. Make sure that when you put the oil in, it only covers about half the chicken. Remember, we're only getting the breading.
yeah, you don't want this to be drowning in the oil or else it's going to be real greasy. And you want it to have that good fry sound. And just place it on that side down.
Repeat the process with the rest of your chickens.
Yeah. And cook on each side for how long?
2 to 5 minutes.
Alright. Let's get it going.
Looks like a wish to roam.
The assembly line process.
You know, this actually worked out because Bex was craving some like fried chicken. And here's the finished product. We're going to eat some now to prove to you that it's actually. Thanks for sharing that.
Sorry.
It's fine.
No!
The birthday girl loves it. And she's not just saying that because she's my best friend.
Yeah. But it's really good.
So, hang on, let me just finish chewing this. So that's gonna do it today for this video of Cookie Crumbs. Love you, bestie. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that way you can be informed when we have new videos out.
Woo!